Uh, Dear viewers, today subscribe my YouTube channels at Turkey earthquakes. Today I will the poetry writes about the poetry about the earthquakes, all the peacefuls, all the unions of the worlds, also the humans force the humanity. Please the helps force the wounded individuals, for the orphans, for the new birth babies, for the old father's cries, for mother's mom's tears. Every human's duty to sorrow painful human beings cry. You can support or helps with the service likes money, likes skirts, likes foods, force wearings, and so on. This is a unity service moment of the lives will be not comes, and one day we all will go in the front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we should also the Turkey Shams people's helps in the earthquakes, for the human beings. This is our duty, and peaceful, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.